Some companies just care about closing deals. We care whether the building we sell you actually lasts. A straight wall building means more parts, more maintenance, more frustration. With a SteelMaster building, you get simple, strong, proven performance. Our arch buildings are made with a minimum of 22-gauge steel, coated in Galvalume Plus, so they don't just look tough, but they're built to handle weather, corrosion, and time. That's why we back our buildings with a 50-year warranty. When weather conditions get real, you're not hoping your building holds up. Impact tested, Florida product approved, and HVHZ certified. Every SteelMaster building comes with state-stamped engineered blueprints, making the permitting process smoother from the start. An arch building has a clear span interior design that gives you 100% fully usable space. The strength is in the structure. While they're piecing together complicated systems, our buildings use NZF 3000 bolts, a single-size nut and bolt system. Simple, secure. No weak links or guesswork. Straight wall builds can drag on for weeks and usually require complicated tools and a full crew. An arch building is DIY friendly. Grab some friends and you can have it up in a weekend. Less labor, less time, less money spent. SteelMaster buildings are a cost-effective choice. It's not just about what you pay up front, it's what you're still paying for years from now. You can go with a building that looks the part, or one that's engineered to last through it all. Choose bold, choose fearless, choose SteelMaster.